Well, good afternoon. Welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today, we're going to show you one of our latest inventory additions. The most popular car, according to collectors in the United States, is the 1965 Mustang. Come and take a look. Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to take a look at one of our latest cars that is now on the market for us, a 1965 Mustang coupe, little two-door, beautiful car, has California history, was built in the San Jose plant. This is a T code, so it is an original six-cylinder car, but the owner of the vehicle had just had the engine completely rebuilt. Not only did he do that, but he also had the car repainted in its original Wimbledon White color. Beautiful interior in this car with the white bucket seats, center console with the shifter on the floor. Another nice thing about this car, it actually has power steering, which is kind of a rarity on the six-cylinder Mustangs. Like I said, the Mustang is one of the most popular cars on the planet right now, and if you can have yourself a little Mustang coupe like this, it's always like money in the bank. Radial tires, got the original hubcaps on it, chrome is nice. Along with, we have probably 7 other Mustangs also available here at Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers. Come and take a look at our website. We can visit that at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You can also look at our cars on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So take a look. We'd be happy to show them to you in person as well if you want to come to Minnesota. We're here Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5.